Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And see guys, yesterday I had explained that market is in good bullish move, and so that it can reach this level. Yesterday I had clearly explained that this is my target for this week, but it had reached today itself. And see guys, now the point is it the bullish move will continue or it will stop here, it will retrace here? That is a question mark. See guys, always remember, when this market from here, it is in bullish and retracement, bullish retracement, and again a bullish completely from last 4 days it is in bullish. Okay, it can be profit booking. Okay, here this is a range. See, resistance, and this is at resistance point. These can be profit booking. This is the time for profit booking. For suppose, see guys, you took the position at these levels. Okay, somewhere around you took the position at these levels. Now the market is at this peak level. Will you still hold the stock? Question mark for you. Just think, this is just a common sense. Okay, will you still hold the stocks for long term? It is at the time, it is at the place of resistance. Will you still hold the stock? It is somewhat risky to hold the stock at this point. At this mentality, everyone will book the profits at this range. Okay, so what happens when they book the profits? The market can fall, downfall, can give the downfall from here, or else if there is a chances it can go upside momentum with some halting. See, for suppose here we have two rejections here, 1 2, and this is third one. Okay, these can be weak this time, but not completely. Okay, it may take some time, it can halt for some time and then break. It can give good move, okay, after this break, because this is day time frame. Remember, this is day time frame, and it can give the good bullish move once it is break these levels. If it comes to 15-minute chart, this is Bank Nifty, and we are going to 15-minute chart. Okay, now see, in this 15-minute chart I had explained that if market is open above these levels, this could be our supporting levels. Okay, see here, this is our supporting level, 1 2 3. Once it is reached to these levels, we got rejections here. Okay, that's why it went up to these levels, and here you can see it is reached our target, and you can see now the question mark is, I am expecting the sideways market if it is open flat. Okay, flat means inside this range, and it can be the downtrend, because it should give the retracement from here like this. Okay, because this is a place where we get a profit booking. Okay, and see guys, if it is open above these lines, above this trend line, wait for the price action. Don't remember guys, it is it is crossing the main trend line. Okay, in the day time frame, had drawn by connecting two resistance, and see guys, if it is open this above line, it could be a bullish move. Okay, with the support of this line, this would be our supporting line. Okay, and if it is open above this trend line, go with buying side. If it is open above this trend line, this red trend line becomes a supporting line, and then we can go with buying side. Okay, below this trend line, I will keep stop loss below this trend line, and will buy the futures. Okay, and we'll take the positions as per the trade plan. And if it comes to Nifty, as I explained in yesterday's video, Nifty can be the sideways market. Okay, here you can see the market opened above this resistance zone, and it had break. And see guys, once the market is opened, don't decide any trend. Okay, let it move for some, but it can be volatile. As I said, it this is sideways market. At that time what we have to do, just wait for the price action. If it is in completely trend, okay, go with a small breakout. As even if we get a breakout, we can go with buying with a perfect stop loss. And if it is sideways, what we have to do, wait for the price action and then trade. Okay, this is the levels, this is the time for the to this is the time to check the price action levels. Okay, and see, this is completely inside this range. Okay, if it is open flat, wait for the price action, do trade on price action pattern. And if it can be sideways market if it is open flat. And if it is breaks either upside momentum or downside momentum, it can create a trend, the downside or upside. Okay, these are the two important levels for tomorrow. And what that are, those are 11,490 and 11,420. okay, these are the two important levels for tomorrow Nifty. And if it comes to bank nifty levels are 23,190 and 22, you can take a 22,940. okay, because the closing levels is very important. And this is a complete range actually. Let me draw. See, this is a complete supporting range. Okay, when it comes to these levels, just wait for crossing these levels. Once it is crossed, you can take up the trade. Okay, this is a complete setup planning for tomorrow. Plan your trade plan accordingly. Okay, if you want to check out today's levels, today's breakouts, and see today's breakouts, this is 1 minute time frame. See guys, this is one breakout, and this is stop loss levels, and target levels are around somewhere these levels. okay, because here we got a consolidation, and these could be our these could be our supporting levels. okay, and if you check out another one, see, this is breakout, and here we got a gap up, and it has to fill the gap here. This is 1 minute time frame. In 1 minute time frame, if it is giving gap, almost it can fill the gap. okay, and this is a breakout, and you can see this is a big candle, the confirmation given after the big candle. okay, but here the question mark is it possible to take the position here? No, we should not trade at this point. okay, when it reverses these levels, when it comes to these levels, and after seeing the red candle here, we can take up the position at these levels, I mean selling position. Let me try it clearly. This is our entry. okay, this is our entry, and stop loss is these levels. okay, and target would be previous support and resistance. Obviously it will be these levels, because you can see this is a previous support and resistance level. You can consider this as a support and resistance, but you can see after reaching levels, it is going upside and retracing from here. That means these support and resistance levels are weak. It can break easily. That's why we choose this as a target, and it had reached our targets. okay, this is how we have to plan. And if it is not reached these levels, it is going like this. Let me clear. I will clearly explain this trade. See, you are drawing a trend line like this. Now this is our breakout, and we are not taking the position at these levels. We are taking the position at these levels because it is retracing downside and then retracement. okay, this is a perfect entry for us. And our stop loss is around these levels. okay, fine. A target would be, why we should not take this as a target? okay, this level as a target, because this is a supporting resistance point and this is a resistance point. Why we should not take this? Because it has already reached this level. Okay, again it is giving a bearish moves, and this supporting and these resistance and supporting levels can be weak. It can break these levels. Okay, for suppose if market is moving like it is retracing here itself, at that time these support and resistance will work. Okay, because it is not reached these levels. Okay, and always remember guys, every price action movement is very important, every candle is very important. You should analyze each and every candles. Okay, and this is plan for tomorrow. And if you go to nifty trades, you can see nifty the morning itself it had given the breakout, and this is our breakout, and we can take this position at these levels. This is a confirmation. Because why we can take without any retracement? Because it is already in consolidation near the trend line. After the break we can take the position. This is our stop loss, this is our stop loss, and target would be these levels. Okay, and see, this is supporting point and it has consolidated for some time and had a break again, and it went to up to these levels. This is our target. Okay, this is how we have to plan the trade plan. Hope you got a good knowledge from this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like. If you are new to this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.